Dominic Whiteheart a little bit longer if they want. Oh no. What?
It's okay. It's live theater, everyone.
Oh no, what?
This is the glitches that we have. So let's try that again. Maybe we weren't enthusiastic enough. So, are you guys ready for your next match?
Oh, we got two referees.
Ready for your next match?
Are you ready for your match? Oh, good.
I think everybody's ready.
I know I'm ready, and I'm sure these
except the
paying fans
participants.
are.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall.
There we go. The Russell twins. I'm loving it. I'm loving these are some fun guys.
Russell twins, the fans love them too.
Oh, I'm gonna have a hard time telling these gentlemen apart. I sure hope they cheat. They better.
And you know, that's exactly the advantage these guys have. They can do the old switcheroo behind the referee's back.
I regret not having a brother. Not that it was my choice. Well, we could have totally taken over tag team wrestling. Taken over. Oh my God, I've been hitting the head a lot.
It's the one with the boots.
It looks like Cameron's got another inch on Allen there.
This should be a good match. Both teams pretty even in size.
This looks like we're going to have some chaos here. Just looking at the
Anytime you get more than two guys in the ring. Just about to go for a collar and elbow tie-up. He's going to make him wait.
Ask these fans if they want some wrestling and not giving it to them. I love it. I love it. Collar elbow tie-up. He's got to be careful. It looks like he's giving up about 30 pounds there and a height disadvantage.
I thought he was going for the waist lock, but we have an arm wringer taking over. Oh, nice, hip up. Nice reversal. Nice reversal.
So quick. So quick.
Yeah, keeping him away from that rope break.
Prodigal Sons are going to have to really use their strength and size.
Nice headlock. Taking control. Trying to go into a top wrist lock. Trying to get out of it. Oh, he reverses it. Nice side headlock.
Alan Russell, the referee's looking dead at you, so there's a good time to grab the trunk.
Oh, nice. Nice cravat.
Very
by
nice.
Alan Russell. Into the headlock. We're seeing some really nice chain wrestling here tonight, Matt.
Very nice. I'm very surprised. He was already doing nip ups, skip ups.
Oh!
Beautiful.
Nice clothesline. And another one.
Sidewalk slam.
Sidewalk slam or a backbreaker coming up here.
What's he going to do? Backbreaker.
Backbreaker.
Oh,
wow.
Get the cover. Get the cover.
Drags him out to the center, off the ropes. Big
knee drop.
Knee drop or a chop across the forehead. Goes for the cover. Quick kick out by Alan Russell.
He needs to stay out of him. Get between them. Get between his partner. Get between them.
He's got to cut the ring off, and he was close.
You got lucky.
You're in control. Keep him in there. Keep him in there. Now you're in control. Now it's time to do the frequent tags with your own partner. Don't let Alan Russell make the tag. How much of an advantage do the Russell twins have? Being brothers, same age, grew up together, lived together, trained together, as opposed to the league champion and Eric Esnight, who...
Double drop kick.
Oh, one in the front, one in the back.
I was about to say the brothers would have an advantage, and then they go and flip the script on us.
And there's the
There's
tag.
that tag.
Now we've got Cameron Russell.
Fine. No, it's
And he's not doing much
the old
better.
Manhattan there, brother.
Oh,
Knee
knee lift. He's got him reeling.
Somebody's been watching some Jake Roberts
Spinebuster.
and some Arn Anderson.
This could be it.
Take
Alan
the opportunity
Russell
you can.
takes Eric Esnight into the corner, into the fair turnbuckle.
Referee needs to get between them. Who's the legal man?
I think we've all lost control here. I don't think anybody knows who's legal. Suplex. Eric Esnight still out on the floor.
Referee needs to gain control of this match. All right, this is Alan. This is Alan Russell coming in now.
Now the Russell twins clearly in control of this one now. Come on, referee, you got to get somebody out of there. Oh, there we go.
How insulting it is that you're getting beaten up in your own corner because your opponents have knocked off your partner.
The league champion rolls to the floor.
Referee needs to start a count out.
Absolutely. I don't know what's going on here.
He's distracting the referee. The referee.
See, now the Russells are using this to inflict damage on the floor, but I don't know that that's what I would do. I would think I'd let the referee start counting.
So maybe you can start counting now. Junior official Patrick. If he's not the legal man, he's been getting his butt kicked for the last 5 minutes.
What a waste of energy and effort on the part of the Russell twins.
Oh, we got tag, timeout.
Now we've got Alan Russell in there with Eric Esnight. It's unfortunate.
Eric Esnight, I'm almost certain earlier that his temple hit that post, and he hasn't recovered since. I know he's the fresher man. Champion's been getting his butt kicked for a couple minutes in there, but he might be concussed.
Definitely both men suffered their share of damage, and it's unfortunate for the Russell twins that their momentum was broken like that, because I think they were well on their way to a victory. Double dragon. Dragon arm drag, Japanese arm drag. Oh, now.
He's staying on that back.
These Russell twins are very fresh, showing no signs of fatigue.
Oh, look at him. He's putting all his body weight on his neck. If you're not getting choked out, you're getting exhausted one way or the other.
Definitely a dual-purpose maneuver. He's giving himself a rest and making his opponent work twice as hard.
Oh, and a punch in the liver.
Irish whip, ducks the clothesline, ducks the second clothesline.
Fixed.
Oh,
DDT?
no.
DDT!
Impaler DDT. Both men are down. Eric Esnight desperately needs to make the tag.
How are they moving? This is all instinct right now. They don't know where they are.
Both men down, referee counting.
Malik Champion trying to get
There's the tag.
Come on, get the tag. There he is.
And we have the tag to Malik Champion. And he comes in a house of fire. Oh, sling blade. Beautiful drop kick.
There you go. Catch one in the jaw. These fans are right behind Malik. Beautiful capoeira kick. Some sort of spinning roundhouse.
Needs to go for the cover. Referee, 1, 2. Oh, nice save.
Well done. And that's that brotherly connection.
Referee needs to get control of this one. He's got to get one of the Russells out of there.
Could be the first time tonight.
Going for a double suplex. Got Malik Champion up. There's Esnight with the save. Oh, double DDT.
Get the cover. Stay on them.
We've got one Russell in the ring.
It's a tag. We have a tag.
Now we have a little double team on the other side. Well, maybe not. Eric Esnight Going for the suplex. Oh, he's hanging him up. Oh, beautiful stomp.
STO combo. That's it.
Going for the
That's it.
cover. 1, 2, 3. That's
done.
it.
Some fun tag team action here at Texoma. These 4 young men. That was chaos. That was excitement.
These guys let it all out there tonight, Matt.
Kudos to Eric Knight, Malik Champion, the Prodigal Sons. They've come home at Texoma.
And they earned it tonight. They earned every bit of it.
Team to keep our eyes on. Maybe Chandler Hopkins, Malico, keep your eyes open for these 2 young men. If I were the Russell twins, I'd grab that guy, crush him in the front row, and just go to town with these guys.
Russell twins, understandably bent out of shape.
I would be too.
I would say if I had to judge this match, it was probably 60% Russell twins, but in the end, your winners, Malik Champion and Eric Knight, Prodigal Sons.
Ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're going to have a